Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we'll continue learning CSS, and in this video I'll show you new properties, and thanks these properties you'll be able to make your website more attractive and more interesting. Let's start it. We'll open our HTML file and we'll make button. Also we add class. Thanks to this class we'll add style to our button. Okay, let's watch. Okay, let's add something styles to our button because it looks very strange. Okay, let's look at the bottom. Added something else. Okay, and also let's add margin. Okay, now I can show you first property. Thanks to this property we can create style when user hover on our element. Let's try to change color. Like you see, when I hover in this element, color change, but it doesn't must be color. You can change something else like background color, size, or other things. Let's try to change background color. Like you see, it's work, but it's work very fast, and many people don't like fast animation, and we can to correct it using second property. Thanks to this property you can control how quickly your animation will be work. Okay, its name transition. We can using milliseconds or seconds. Let's try to using 2 seconds. Like you see, animation is work, its speed became more slowly. It looks more attractive. Thanks to combination these two properties, you can create animation and make your website more attractive and more interesting. And next, okay, let's go next. Next we need to create input. And we also need to add placeholder. Okay, let's look at the window. Everything works, but it looks strange. Let's add a couple of styles. First we added class. Okay, and now I can show you second property. Thanks to this property you can control your input when user focus on your input. Let's try to change color. And we also can use transition. It will help to more slowly and more interesting. Thanks to this property you also can add interesting animation on your web pages. You can combine all these properties with opacity. It helps you to create very interesting animation, and when people focus on your input, placeholder will disappear it. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.